Welcome the knowledge thirsty Sagittarians to Bloom of Divinity for a fortnightly reading. Let's begin your readings. So, the first card for you guys in terms of work and career, in terms of finances, in terms of relationships, in terms of general for the fortnight. So, the card for work is the Chariot. For finances is Lovers. For relationships is the Fool. And for the fortnight in general is the Emperor. Chariot is telling that you have two paths coming up for you, but now what you have to do is pick up the path that you want to go, and that might be either one of them or the middle path. So focus whatever you want to do on one channel, get full focus on that. Uh, this opportunity that you might decide to pursue may push you a little out of your convenience zone also, like your comfort zone. You will have to sacrifice a little. So it might be that if you are looking for an opportunity that was very close to your heart and was an opportunity which wherein you have a lot of growth potential, but the travel time may be a bit higher, so you need to pick up that hassle, that yes, I will have to leave early and I'll be late while to come home. So that little small inconvenience is going to be there, so pay attention to that. So but pick up that opportunity where you can grow, because you have that potential and universe is there right now. That thing may be causing a little inconvenience or a discomfort, but it was going to prove very fulfilling and satisfying in the future. For finances this week, this fortnight, you will have to look at two opportunities of growth, and two opportunities where you can make a lot of money. A lot of good fortune can come to you, but one opportunity is going to be very emotional and satisfying, and the second is going to be a path where you will learn a lot. So you need to figure out which opportunity are you going to take, or which is the path that you are going to take. Whichever path you take, the opportunities are going to turn out good for you. They are going to, both opportunities are going to give you a better and a positive result, but you will have to make that choice. Out of the two opportunities that you get to earn better for this thing, do financially better, you will have to pick which one do you want to pick. So this fortnight, a lot of financial discussions, brainstorming is going to happen so that you come to that best solution. For relationships, the card is Fool. The Fool is saying like go with the flow. Whatever you are doing, just place your trust in your partner or your other side of the relate with this thing, but the whom you are considering your relationship, or what your parents are suggesting to you, what feelings your children telling you, yeah, that yes, they'll excel in studies, that they'll do better in studies. Have a trust in them. Things will turn out good. They are just do not carry a lot of emotional baggage for you on yourself. Keep yourself very light emotionally, that like you can fly like a feather, feel like a feather. So have that positive vibrance in you, feel light. So those are the advice for you for this fortnight in terms of relationships. In general, for the fortnight, Emperor here is suggesting that have a strategy, be disciplined, make a timetable. Like yes, the new year resolutions, people say that we do not fall through, but at least try to ensure that you fall through whatever you decide. Make a timetable for this fortnight, like these are the things that I will get achieved in the first 15 days, that this is what I will do. Or make a resolution that yes, you are getting up before the sunrise. So do whatever you can do and be disciplined in that approach. If you do that, like if you decide to get up every day before the sunrise, you will be able to do that. So have that trust, have that emotional strength within yourself to do whatever you want to do this fortnight. So let's pull up an emotion card for you. The emotion card for you for this fortnight is love. Whatever opportunities you do, see to it that that is like you have the passion for it, you are attracted to it, you have that emotionally attachment to it, like where you feel more at love, at peace. Do that or take that opportunity when in terms of your career. In terms of finances, I would suggest the two opportunities that are there. Again, pick up where you feel more loved, where you feel that happy feeling coming to you, that yes, I have achieved something, where you can love that feeling, like that feeling that everybody is caring about you. You are happy at your anhata. For relationships, focus on love. Be more caring, be more affectionate. How you and show your affection. Do not just have that in yourself. You need to express it also. In in terms of general for the fortnight, do whatever strategy do you adopt, but be soft on yourself. Do not push yourself to the limits, like that I exercise only for 10 minutes a day, now I'm going to exercise for 1 hour. That goal is not realistic. If you are working for 10 minutes, make it only up to 15 minutes or 20 minutes at max, but do not try to push yourself in a very zone where you are things become unachievable for you. And love yourself, pamper yourself this fortnight. So those are the cards for you guys for this fortnight. Wish you a very happy and a prosperous new year.